You watch certain videos on YouTube, you're always told by these motivational speakers, follow your passion. In fact, billionaires, they are sharing their success secret in their interviews by saying, follow your passion. Let me tell you, they didn't just follow the passion, they followed the money. If you want to be an athlete or a sports person, following your passion can be right strategy. But if you want to do a business, you're looking for some startup, follow the money. Understand the next trend. That's what Bill Gates and Steve Jobs did when they were very young. They understood this somehow, they figured it out, that trend of personal computers would be coming up. And in next 10, 20, 30, 40 years, this is gonna fetch them a lot of money. So they did two things: trend stacking, understanding the next trend, upcoming trend. Second, and that trend should fetch us a lot of money. So follow the money. That's what Elon Musk is doing now. Jeff Bezos did in 90s. He understood the trend. And he also understood this trend would fetch him a lot of money. Now Amazon is the giant in e-commerce business, right? Look at Elon Musk. Look at his projects, the Mars project, the Boring project, Neuralink. Neuralink is an interesting company where they're gonna drill your skull and they're gonna insert this chip inside your mind. Wow. So he has understood the trend and he's making a lot of money. Why so many startups fail? Have you ever wondered? More than 95% startups fail. Why? Because they are told, follow your passion. They're never told, follow the money. Understand the next trend. Netflix, they understood the next trend and they followed the money. So here's my startup advice for you. You want to be successful in terms of your startup and business? Follow the money and understand trend stacking. Figure out the next trend. Good luck.